Hola, buenas tardes, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah, so today, what we're going to do is we're up the top end of the beach area here, and where Cafe Mozart is. And what we're going to do is we're going to just take a stroll from here down towards the main square, and yeah, just check out what's going on, the current situation, the weather, and what's going on. All right, let's go, guys. It's 5:25. It's 26 degrees. We'll have that. See, I'm quite surprised that Cafe Mozart here is very quiet, because it's usually all happening up here. I don't know whether it's just because of the time of the day it is or not, but I can sort of never get this close because of all the music and stuff like that. But this is pretty famous, Cafe Mozart. It's well known, very popular. But, yeah, so if you're looking for it, it's right up the top just before you get to this sand dunes. Like, it is really windy, so maybe it's quiet. But the wind would be able to blow. Probably drink over if it wasn't a full drink. Yeah, look at more souvenirs. So there's some of those little reg plates there, the Gran Canaria ones. And the surfboards. And I have to laugh, the boomerangs, and it's like, it actually is like Aboriginal art on them as well. Wow, look at it. Obviously, my connection with Australia, like, you know, when I see boomerangs like that, it attracts me to look at them, like, you know, but even the detail on them there, like, actually with the Aboriginal art. Sushi bar. So, a bucket of beer. I wonder what a bucket of beer is. €8. So you got more souvenirs here. Clothing and stuff. Skydiving. Any is here before? Have you were you brave enough to take that challenge on? I did it once. I'll tell you what, it was so much fun, but I wouldn't do it now. I don't know, I think the older I get, the more scared you get. You got nice little bags here. Look, I'm always looking out for little bags, especially for doing the videoing and stuff. So what's that? €9 for that bag. Like, they're handy enough, like, you know, if you're putting your, well, for me, like a GoPro and stuff, microphone. That's like a Gucci one, isn't it? What's that? €14. And then, yeah, other ones. Get your sunglasses in there. If you haven't known me by now, guys, I have a massive collection of sunglasses. So these little registration plates again, they're €6.90. These ones here, because I have one at home already in my studio. It sort of fits perfectly over the sort of drawer where your computer desk is, and I could definitely have room for a couple more. I like this one here, I like that one. Obviously like the green one. But you got other. They're lovely, aren't they? Look, I've been coming here for years and I've never seen them. Just a new souvenir. Like, it is early dinner time, so like I'd say people are at home probably just resting and getting ready for dinner. But again, it's about the current situation. It's about the current situation, and just to show you what it's like. About 5:30. So this is another one of these all-you-can-eat Chinese. This one's actually Hong Kong wok, and it's $11.95 per adult and €6.50. But you can actually see the buffet there. Look. I have to say, guys, that looks very nice, very clean looking as well. Lovely. Voila. That looks good. I have to admit, that actually looks good. And it looks really spotless clean in there as well.
That's what we do. Hola. ¿Qué bueno?
So you got more souvenirs here, look at, and clothing and that. You got football shorts. That football shirt there, look. Yeah, Gran Canaria. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah, actually, that is nice. Look at the Playa Del Ingles there. Las Palmas, Puerto Rico. How much is that? I'm sure Louis would absolutely like that. Jesus. It's €22. But it feels good quality though. There's more bags.
Że co jeszcze?
You got your towels and stuff over there. I wonder if there's sunlight actually damaged them in time. So you got more stuff here, look. Bags and that. But there actually is a lot in these shops, guys. Like, it's not just in the front here. You can see it all out the back there. It's a lot of clothing and a lot more souvenirs. So what is that? Oh, it's a fan. €50 and €100. Look at these tiny little things. Oh, they're nice little souvenirs, aren't they? Wait, what are they? €2.50. That's not bad. Nice Gran Canaria bag there. That's really nice. €10. What do you reckon of that? Pretty nice. Something over here at the spot. Look at these. These are lovely, aren't they? These little towels. I really like that. I love that. Gran Canaria. It's €2.99, so €3 for one of these little towels. In different colours. Look at that. I love that. I actually might get myself one of them. Yeah, it's cool. So there's that other Chinese restaurant. Yeah, this one is Chinese. The last one we see was Hong Kong. But again, it's hola. It's $11.95 adults and €6.50 for children. And again, it looks great. It looks really clean. And also, it looks like you can get some international food as well. Cool.
Pues mira, a la mentira. Yo te voy a decir una cosa. Mira, yo tuve mi marido.
A quick look out into the beach there. Fabulous, isn't it? So this is a very popular area, as you can see. It's like a sun trap here. It's perfect. There's no wind. Lots of beer. Lots of high stills. Well, back there was lots of high stills. I can't imagine the beer or the wine staying cold for too long sitting there. So you got a McDonald's here as well. The only other McDonald's I've seen here in Gran Canaria is in Las Palmas, so I'm always keen to use like McDonald's sort of as like a key reference point. Not like saying if you find McDonald's it's like only up the road from it. But yeah, if any is now, if any other areas where there's a McDonald's. Maybe in, there's 2 McDonald's in Puerto Rico. Apologies. So you got tipsy hammocks here. This is pretty popular, as you can see. It's packed. So it looks like it's way here. Now, last time I went in there now, I was able to just walk in, but that just looks like it's so busy at the moment that you sort of have to just wait to be seated. Wow. But this is Dunes and Tunes, Irish Beach Bar. Now, I know you're saying it looks empty. The only reason why it looks empty is because it's just opening. But this place rocks. Really is kicking when it's up and running. But as you can see there, that guy is just literally opening up there. But I'm at to seeing some of these little plates I like again. Look at, there's other ones here. Look at these ones. Gran Canaria, welcome. All of that. I like this one here, all the colours in it. They're lovely. This one here is nice. Really nice. I was only looking for a belt there only last week. These are really nice, look at it. Lamborghini belts. Tommy. Really nice. Now look, that looks like more of his stock over here. He's got cactus bar here. That's pretty good for lunch. Lots of souvenirs. But this area here will be all getting a lot busier now over the next hour or two, but I'll try and get down. during the night at some stage here. But it is dinner time. I am getting a bit hungry myself. It's got this store here called the Kuala Lumpur. So it has all your brands, Havianis. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, so please correct me. Havianis or Havianas or... look at this bar here. It has the traditional sort of Gran Canaria walls. I don't know whether you know, notice when you're walking around Gran Canaria, the walls are sort of like that white with black sort of cow print. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. And you got one cloud in the sky down there, look at it. Doesn't that cloud look pretty lonely up there on its own? Now you got one or two more around the side. Well, as long as that's all it says, us here in Gran Canaria will be pretty happy. Oh guys, another fantastic walk here in what I call paradise, in the island of Gran Canaria, here, Playa Del Ingles. But yeah guys, if you're new to the channel, as always, if you are new, you're very welcome. But if you are new, please subscribe up there or down there. And yeah, until next time guys. Next week, maybe it should be James that's walking around. But yeah, alright. Adios. Salamat. Peace.